The other day, we went to that new Harbor Freight location up there in Des Moines. It's just north of the Merle Hay Mall, and which I was kind of excited about because previously I always had to go clear over to the southeast side of Des Moines to go to Harbor Freight, which is, you know, kind of out of the way for me if I go to Des Moines. So anyhow, they have them free coupons, you know, and that little flyer they always send out. And so I took advantage of the free coupons and got me this here 18-inch magnetic holder to stick up, and you can put tools and such on it, you know. Has knives if you put it in the kitchen, I guess. So I was thinking I'd mount it there on this wall back here. I thought about putting it out in the garage, but I'm still thinking that it'd be handier, you know, put it up here, and then I can kind of try to organize a few of the things I use in here, and which I kind of need to organize them. That's not one of my strong suits, you know. So I think I'll make an attempt at doing that today. Alrighty. So I went ahead and I bought me some of these here plastic anchors that you drill a hole in your drywall, and then you stick these in and put the screw in. And supposedly these will hold up to 15 pounds. And I'm assuming that's 15 pounds per screw. It'd be 2 screws, of course. If you were relying just on these, that would be 30 pounds you could put up there, which, you know, sounds like a lot, but it may or may not be. And I'm thinking that also might vary due to your drywall, because, you know, if you've got a thinner drywall, I just don't think it's going to hold as much. Of course, that's my reasoning, but anyhow, I'm going to try to hit a stud with the one end, because that's going to hold more than these with just a screw and, you know, and screwed into a stud. Okay, but that is 17.5 inches from the center of the hole to the center of the hole on that thing. So if your studs are 16-inch on center, well, that might give you might be able to hit them both if you're good, but I'm gonna assume that with my luck, I'm lucky to get into the stud on one side. So that's what I'm gonna shoot for. So we'll see how it's all gonna work out for me. Okay, so I've taken it out of the bubble wrap there, and you see here it's kind of got some breaks on that side and stuff, but I'd kind of preferred to put it this way where it's kind of prettier, but judging from the magnetic power, there's no directions, but I think they intend on it being stuck out this way. So, oh well, for the price, you know, it'll be functional. If you're one of them pretty people, you might want to go, you know, pretty it up somehow, or it's like there's a crack there and a crack there, and, you know, a little blemish there, and yeah, well, but it does. See, you know, it holds right on there. Okay, well, I'll try to get it stuck on the wall. So, okay, here we go. What do you think? About there, maybe? Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, something like that. And I can grab stuff. Cool. So. I'm going to make a little mark right there. Because we'll see here. And I've got a little screw here. It's a drywall screw actually, but I think it'll work good for this application. And you know that there's a stud behind here because this little strip has to be fastened to a stud at least. I'm just going to do that to kind of make a kind of a pilot hole, really. Make it a little easier to do instead of just trying to hang on and do it at the same time. Okay. Now we're gonna try and put a little level on it. Let's see where it's gonna hang up here. Alright. Well, that's looking pretty good. Uh-oh, I slipped. Put a mark there. Ooh. And that is where we will drill our 1/4 inch hole. So, and clearly I didn't hit a stud. I knew I would not there. There's probably one maybe there. I don't know. That's what I've got a stud finder, but it doesn't matter because it was the wrong length to hit anyway. So, okay. What did I do with those screws then? Ah, there they are. Over here. So, get one of these babies out. We'll see if I can get it in there. Well, that just kind of pushes in there real easy. And, okay, here we go. Let's see. I don't know. I'm hoping that's great. I can't seem to pull it out. I love this little impact for screws since I no longer have full use of my right arm the way I used to, and hand, wrist, and all that stuff doesn't work quite like it used to. In fact, it's got to use my left a lot. That's what happens when you get older. Okay. It's up there. And it holds tools. I've got other stuff laying around here I really need to clean up here. This is why I kind of, no, I guess that stays, doesn't it? Huh. Let's see what else I got laying around here. Great for drill bits. Huh. Let's see if the I don't think that's magnetic. Ah. Well, I think that'll work pretty dang good there. I like that. Ha! What do you know? I might need to get some more of those. I better not put that hard drive up there. Okay. I'm thinking that's going to work out pretty good. All right. Woo! Just about lost that one. I think this would go better this way. Oh yeah, there we go. Well, I'm thinking I'll like that. I might need some more of those.